How do I add Disney Plus to my Sharp Aquos TV?
Hello everyone. Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to add Disney Plus to your Sharp Aquos TV. We understand that setting up streaming services on a smart TV can sometimes be tricky, so we're here to help make the process easier for you. We will be going through each step in detail to ensure you get Disney Plus up and running on your Sharp Aquos TV in no time.
Is your Sharp Aquos TV compatible?
Before we get started, it's important to note that not all Sharp Aquos TVs support the Disney Plus app. Your TV needs to be a smart TV with the ability to download apps from the internet. If you're unsure about this, you can check your TV's manual or online specifications.
Connecting your TV to the internet.
To use Disney Plus, your Sharp Aquos TV needs to be connected to the internet. 1. From your TV's home screen, navigate to Settings. 2. Then, go to Network or Network Settings. 3. Choose Wireless if you have a Wi-Fi connection, or Wired if you're using an Ethernet cable. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your home network.
Downloading the Disney Plus app.
Now that your TV is connected to the internet, you can download the Disney Plus app. 1. Go back to your TV's home screen and select the Apps or App Store. 2. Use the search function to look for Disney Plus. 3. Once you see the app, select it, and then select Install or Download. 4. The app should download and install automatically.
Signing in to Disney Plus.
After downloading the app, the final step is to sign in to your Disney Plus account. 1. Open the Disney Plus app on your Sharp Aquos TV. 2. Select Login and enter your Disney Plus account details. 3. If you don't have an account yet, select Sign Up and follow the instructions to create a new account. 4. Once logged in, you can start enjoying your favorite Disney Plus content right on your Sharp Aquos TV. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to add Disney Plus to your Sharp Aquos TV. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Enjoy streaming your favorite Disney Plus shows and movies. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more useful tutorials like this one.